Now you're going to love this because gold has really been back in the news lately. With everything going on in the markets and the economy, it's got a lot of folks thinking about buying some actual physical gold for themselves. But there may be something you don't know, and this video could save you a lot of heartache. Because now that gold has pulled back some from those sky-high prices we saw in December, it's become a bit more affordable for the average person to buy. So if you've been thinking about getting some physical gold, you may be wondering exactly how to do it. What types of physical gold are there even to buy, and where do you go to buy it? Well, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it step by step here today. But before we get into the where and how, it's important to understand the different forms that gold can take. There are some big differences you need to know about when it comes to investing in physical gold. And as an American with savings in US dollars, understanding these differences in physical gold products could save you thousands on your investment. So let's get started. Now first up, let's talk about the different forms that physical gold comes in. Now if you're talking about raw gold ore, dust, or nuggets straight from the mine, sure it's real gold, but it's not very practical for most investors. It's going to be really difficult to resell that kind of raw, unrefined gold later on. Instead, for investing purposes, many people buy refined and stamped bars or coins. The stamps, marks, and serial numbers on these guarantee the weight and purity of the gold. That way you and any future buyers can easily verify exactly what you're getting. When it comes to gold bars, these come in a wide variety of sizes. You've got the huge 400-ounce London Good delivery bars on down to the tiny little 1-gram bars. The smaller bars often come sealed up in protective assay cards or cases that certify their authenticity. Now, gold coins have the advantage of having unique designs and familiar weights like ounces and grams. There are both historic gold coins, some dating back centuries, as well as modern bullion coins minted specifically for investors. Okay, so now that you know the different forms gold can take, how do you actually go about acquiring it? As someone nearing retirement, knowing the best options for purchasing physical gold is key to maximizing your investment and minimizing any risks or unnecessary fees. Well, one way is to simply make a direct cash purchase of gold bars or coins. You pay in full, then take possession of your gold immediately. Going this route gives you total control and responsibility for the storage and security of your gold. Another option is to fund a Gold IRA through a rollover from an existing 401k or other IRA account. The gold is stored on your behalf at a secure depository facility, and there are tax advantages to investing in gold through an IRA. Purchasing physical gold isn't as simple as just slapping down a credit card. For long-term investors like yourself, the strategy and planning is just as important as the gold itself. Now, in terms of where to buy physical gold, there are tons of places out there nowadays, from local pawn shops to online dealers. The choices can seem endless, but you have to be very careful and really do your research before buying. Even experienced investors can sometimes encounter counterfeit coins or bars being passed off as the real deal. So it's best to work with a reputable, well-established company that you can trust. Look for firms with a long track record in business and lots of great customer reviews. A company like Goldco, for example, that's been helping folks invest in precious metals for over 20 years. Goldco works hand in hand with the major mints to bring authentic gold coins and bars directly to their customers. Their team of experts can walk you through the entire process, whether you want to make a direct cash purchase or set up a gold-backed IRA account. With your retirement on the line, you cannot afford to trust just any dealer with your hard-earned savings. The source you buy from could make all the difference. But don't forget about your free gift. Because as an American with your savings in US dollars, you know the importance of diversifying and protecting your nest egg against inflation. Gold has historically been seen as a hedge against currency devaluation and economic uncertainty. And one great way to add physical gold to your portfolio is through a Gold IRA. With over $2 billion in precious metals sold and 5,000 plus five-star reviews, Goldco specializes in helping folks like yourself invest a portion of your retirement savings into gold. Thousands have already opened a Gold IRA with Goldco to shield their nest egg. And right now, Goldco is offering to send you a free Gold IRA kit delivered right to your door. This guide reveals everything you need to know to get started with a Gold IRA. It's a roadmap to this powerful retirement defense. So don't wait. If you want to take control and make the strategic move to gold, click below to get your free Gold IRA kit while supplies last. Diversify your savings and take the first step towards a more secure financial future with gold. Tap the link below now to get your free Gold IRA kit today.